Hello and welcome back to iCalculator. In today's session, we dive into the crucial task of filing your taxes in Nigeria, a responsibility that affects all earning individuals and businesses. In today's video, we'll cover a detailed explanation of the tax filing process and its significance, insights into different tax filing methods in Nigeria, like automatic taxation versus self-assessments, a step-by-step guide on how to file your taxes, special nuances unique to the Nigerian tax system. Tax filing is the process where you report your income, expenses, and other tax-related information to the Nigerian tax authorities. It's not just a legal requirement, but also a critical aspect of financial planning. For employees, it ensures that the correct tax amount is deducted from their salaries, and for business owners or self-employed individuals, it helps in calculating the right amount of tax to be paid or refunded. With a grasp of what tax filing entails, let's examine the different methods employed in Nigeria and understand how they affect various groups of taxpayers. In Nigeria, the tax filing method depends on your employment status. Employees typically fall under the automatic taxation system, where taxes are deducted at source by their employers through the payee system. This method is straightforward as it requires minimal direct involvement from the employee. On the other hand, self-employed individuals and business owners use the self-assessment method. This requires them to actively calculate their tax liability based on their business income and allowable expenses. It's a more involved process, demanding a good understanding of tax laws and regulations. Knowing these methods, let's now walk through the steps involved in filing your taxes, which is crucial regardless of the method you fall under. First up, gathering information. Collect all necessary financial documents, including income statements, receipts for business expenses, and records of any tax already paid during the year. Next, completing tax forms. Depending on your tax status, select and fill out the appropriate forms provided by the Federal Inland Revenue Service, FIRS. These forms will require detailed financial information, so ensure accuracy. Then consider calculating your tax. Use the information gathered to calculate your tax liability. This involves applying the current tax rates to your taxable income, considering any applicable deductions and allowances. Then, submitting your tax return. File your completed tax forms with FIRS, either online or at a designated office. Ensure you meet the submission deadlines to avoid penalties. And finally, paying your tax. If you owe taxes, make sure to pay by the due date. FIRS offers various payment methods, including bank transfers and online payments. In Nigeria, the tax year aligns with the calendar year. It's important to be aware of this as it affects the timing for preparing and submitting your tax returns. Additionally, Nigeria's tax system may have specific provisions for different industries or income types, so staying informed about these is crucial. For a deeper dive into tax filing in Nigeria, visit our iCalculator website. We offer extensive, up-to-date resources and tools to simplify the tax filing process. Whether you're an employee or running a business, our guides can assist you in navigating the complexities of Nigerian tax laws. That concludes our series on filing your taxes in Nigeria. With the insights provided, you should now have a thorough understanding of the tax filing process, ensuring you are well prepared to fulfill your tax obligations accurately and efficiently. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and switch on notifications to ensure you never miss an update.